Discover the charm. Go on an island tour. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of travel phrases, focusing on go on an island tour. This phrase is a wonderful example of English's ability to transport us to new experiences through language. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's a phrase worth knowing for English learners and travel enthusiasts alike. Go on an island tour means to participate in a guided exploration or journey around an island. This phrase is composed of three key parts. Go on, a common English expression used to indicate the start of an activity or journey. An indefinite article used here because island tour begins with a vowel sound, indicating that the noun to follow is not specified. Island tour refers to a trip or exploration around an island, usually involving visiting various points of interest. This phrase suggests an adventure or exploration that is not just about seeing the sights but experiencing the essence of island life, culture, and natural beauty. You can use go on an island tour in various contexts, from planning vacations to sharing experiences with friends. Here are some examples. Planning a trip. I can't wait to go on an island tour in Hawaii. I've heard the views are breathtaking. Sharing experiences. Last summer, we went on an island tour in the Caribbean. It was an unforgettable experience. This phrase is versatile and can be adapted to different tenses based on the context, such as future tense, we are going to go on an island tour next month. Past tense, we went on an island tour last year. Going on an island tour often involves more than just sightseeing. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, cuisine, and traditions. It's an opportunity to learn from the island's history, interact with local communities, and appreciate the natural environment. Understanding this phrase and its implications can enrich your travel experiences and conversations with others about your adventures. It highlights the importance of exploration and openness to new experiences in learning a language and understanding different cultures. We hope this exploration of go on an island tour has inspired you to not only add a new phrase to your English vocabulary but also to see the beauty and depth of experiences it represents. Whether you're planning your next vacation or dreaming about future travels, remember that language is your passport to the world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next English language learning adventure together.